So shares really took a dive last night when we found out about the secondary offering. Just talk about what's behind that move that the company's making.
Look, I think if you contemplate what's ahead of Beyond Meat, the work that they need to do to ramp up production, the work they need to do to keep growing sales in the retail channel, the work that they need to do to keep rolling out their global or meeting their global expansion plans, there's a lot of work to be done there. And so a secondary offering of shares to raise some more capital to invest in these important areas really shouldn't surprise any of us in terms of what the work ahead of the company is.
Do you think it ultimately changes the trajectory of the stock, which had really been on a one-way ticket higher since its IPO?
Look, I can't really comment on the stock price. The markets have really appreciated the stock. Clearly, we all know that. If you're an impact investor, if you're a sustainability or an environmental governance sort of ESG-focused investor, you don't have a lot of places to put those investment funds. So there's a range of reasons why a lot of people have in the market have appreciated the stocks. But if you think about the earnings multiple, it's hard to contemplate where that's going to end up. It does not appear to be in line with either a consumer foods company or especially not an animal protein company, if you think of some of the listed stocks like Hormel, like Tyson, for example.
What about the revenue growth? I mean, that's clearly what's so dazzling to investors, almost 300% in total, almost 500% with these retail and restaurant, or I guess the restaurant and food service partnerships. Is that sustainable?
Well, that's the most important question, and it's not easy to form a view on that. They will keep growing revenue for sure because they've got a reasonable product and they've got a good position in the market, and consumers are enjoying the product. I mean, remember, consumers are experimenting here a little bit. We're seeing consumers try something different to animal protein, to chicken, to pork, to beef that they've grown up on and they've become quite used to. Some of those people who are trying this product are loving it and are bolted on and are going to stay with it forever. But I think the largest group of people who are continuing to try this are still kind of curious and still sort of going with the trend and still trying to form a view as to whether this is going to be a regular part of their shopping basket. And for Beyond Meat to continue to perform as well as it has been performing, it's going to have to convert lots and lots of those curious consumers into bolted on, permanent, part of the shopping basket type consumers.